Unleash it. Don't be afraid.
You're gonna make me so conscious about my life.
But you guys are the SA version of Boondocks. Sipos Riley. Is he the guy that's always...
Shout out to all my 9 people.
Whoa. We're about to shoot the fuck out of MicroWave, boys. Thank
See you
so
guys
much for
Friday, 10 a.m.
Yes! Please say hi to Menzi. I will definitely say hi to Menzi when I see him.
Yes,
some people are
Menzi.
joining, but we're out. Bye!
Howdy.
I'm on like 45. But I started late, you know. I'm a late bloomer. You know what I mean?
I know exactly what you mean.
Fuck you. What's the worst swear word you've ever heard?
Yo.
Cunt.
Douchebag. You're not on the show for tech.
Why am I not on the show?
Anyway, you know.
There's one guy in high school, they nicknamed him Scrap Lab.
Just switch it off there.
That's the bottom.
Scrap lab.
Scrap Lab. Man, he hated it, man. And they just...
Yo, someone calls it Scrap Lab.
We just kept saying it, man. He didn't like it at all.
What's that one nickname that you used to have that like your friends could call you, but like no one else can call you?
Second hand.
Whoa! Mike used to call me vagina.
What?
Why?
It's a long story.
Hmm.
It's a long story.
I want to send a shout out to sunflowers. I really like sunflowers. I just want to send a shout out to sunflowers and to anybody out there who maybe likes sunflowers. Shout out.
This is a good day. Hey, shout out to sunflowers.
Hey, Sunny!
Hey,
Sunflower.
Sunflowers are dope flowers.
yeah.
Oh! See, pals. It's all along.
This guy didn't give me a shout out for my birthday, but okay.
What do you mean, nigga? I was next to you.
Eat back to the moon.
An uncle of mine who swears a lot used to call me Skellum Key. Ariana, just Skellum Key.
What is it?
No idea what it means.
MicroWave Boys, episode 57.
Yeah, I want to tell you right now, what the whole thing, there's no guess.
There's no guests, guys. We got the whole show.
It's just the boys back in town.
It's Larry Janis, it's Paga and Sibo. MicroWave Boys, episode 57. Hit it with it. What's up? Yes.
I want to talk about the wedding first.
Okay, cool. Okay, so I want to talk about the wedding first.
Hey,
there was a very special wedding this week. It was a royal wedding. It kind of like shut down the internet, you know what I mean? People came out there looking absolutely stunning. A black girl has made it into the family. Boy. It was even different out there, boy.
Boy,
They were even singing, lean on me when you're not strong.
The queen was sitting there like, yeah.
Hobby, where the queen looked like she was going to Shiva. She looked like she was ready to...
Even Prince Philip. A lot of people thought the queen was like single this whole time.
The queen's with someone.
She's been married for 70 years, guys.
So is that guy the king?
He's been there the whole time.
So is that guy a king?
The old ass guy who's sitting next to her.
Yeah,
Where do you think Prince Charles came from?
royal pussy.
So
And his
is
brothers and sisters.
is he a king?
No, he came in through marriage, so he can't be. You know what I'm saying?
Oh shit.
Word up.
So you can't marry into being a king?
No. You can't marry into being a king.
That sucks balls.
You also can't marry. You also can't marry into being a queen.
No.
Like Kate Middleton can never be queen of England.
She's just gonna be a
Diana could never be.
Queen.
What is it? She was planning another
Diana
accident.
could have been if she was born in
What if the
that
queen was planning another accident?
Yeah, but because they've recently changed the rules and everything. But yeah, otherwise, Prince Philip has been there the whole time, guys.
I should have said that.
Just being there.
That was so dark.
She's never been
But you
single.
saw how
She's had a babe this entire
was
time.
making it up.
But it sucks, eh? I stay prince and you're queen. What the fuck is going on? But that wedding was black as fuck.
Yeah, it was.
First, I had a black pastor, and that nigga to talk about slavery. All the white people in there were like, oh, this nigga just said the slaves in Mississippi.
And even the songs that they were singing, like I was saying, I never aspirated it.
I thought at some point it was about Somandla, boy.
What?
Oh, Mandla Telumoya. Somandla.
I don't know.
Telumoya, Somandla, Telumoya.
You know that Prince Harry was like he's never watched Suits or knew anything about Suits when he met her. I think he's lying.
Of course he is. Yeah.
Come on, man. Of course you watch Suits. Of course you know it exists at the very least. Fuck that nigga, I was lying. But actually, about this royal wedding, the best dressed was not the guy getting married.
Imagine.
It was a son of a bitch, David Beckham.
Nah, David Beckham is too much.
And I can't eat Masimba.
What the fuck?
David Beckham. If David Beckham wanted to speak to you, Spark, let me holler at you. Are you gonna just say no off the bat, or are you gonna hear the man out? Larry Beckham say, oi, Larry, let me speak to you for a minute. What are you gonna say?
Dog.
Okay. Dog.
Hey, okay, what are you?
I'll be like dog.
Okay, what are you saying?
What? I can hear about.
I want to hear the pitch. I'm not saying.
No.
I'm not saying anything. I want to hear what David has to say.
Where the dog plays?
He was the captain of my team. I have to give him.
Where the dog plays?
He's earned an audience with me. At the very least, he's owned.
No, that's what he's saying. He's saying Beckham was like, hey.
Nigga, I said talk to me, like holler at me.
Yeah, like holler, like yo, man.
Like if you called me if you was at the bar and I said, yo, let me.
You know.
See, man. See, man.
We're going to cart place.
See, man. Let me talk to you. I saw it. I'm like,
I can go outside.
it's more fresh air outside. Let's go.
It's okay. And then
I'm saying, okay, stuff here. It's loud inside. I want to hear David.
Okay, he says okay.
It's a very smooth voice. So I want to give him a chance to hear everything he has to say.
We're in a dark place right now. We're in a very dark place. They're blushing, man.
We're blushing. No ways.
Because of all blushing.
Whoa. All right. Argument. Argue.
I'm gonna irrepe. Irrepe. Nga nyela. Nga ukasinyeni waka. Ukasinyeni waka ukasinyeni. Nganyela mo. Nga ngade kama sepa ona nakadlala. Ona nakadlala irrepe. Irrepe. Hey, pe msadi kwena. I can tell sepa na. Yeah, imagine this girl telling me she's gonna come here and shit. Hey, Tima mutukyo.
Like that.
I'm so.
Solar rings.
I can't tell you how proud I am that she wiped her hands. This is premeditated shitting. It is. No one does that. You woke up in the morning like today. If this motherfucker ticks me off, I'm taking a dump. You have to come prepared. I'm gonna take this morning shit. I'm gonna save
wow.
it. I got an argument planned around lunchtime.
I can ask someone, why did it just drop out like that? Because me, like, I normally push, but wow. Yeah, and sometimes it comes out in longer strands. You know what I mean?
She got the serviette. For that guy who she reached for the serviette must have been so confused. What the fuck is this bitch up to? He's touching me and then he's reaching for the serviette. Not for the glass or the knives.
And she took a step back. He was thinking, ma'am, please, ma'am.
She was pressed and they denied her access to the toilet.
Yeah. She was pressed and they denied her access to the toilet. That's why she was like that. These words are from Chama.
Yeah. Whose desk could you shit on right now? Say what's up.
Oh,
No remorse.
I will get fined if I say that.
Oh,
They know.
No, I have multiple jobs.
I'd shoot. Oh, low.
Whoa! Hit it with it.
No!
Hit it with it.
I take a dump on the Super Sport desk. That's right. Like, we're going to Super Sport there when they're presenting Nasbo. Like, because
Talking about what white people do, let's see someone get suplex because white people only suplex. I tried, guys.
So, this guy, first of all, I don't know why he's suplexing his girlfriend. Warning signs! Anyway, this guy suplexed his girlfriend into the bed and it left her face there. As the makeup.
Yeah, South African girl, you just see with the eyebrows on the sheet there. Eyebrows doing this. Like Tabi Say was there. Tabi fucking Say was there. When they hit you with the Karate Kid eyebrows. Yo! Where are we going?
Swag dripping.
No, I'm talking about the fact that I shaved today, but it's fine.
I shave every week.
No, but it really
I shave every week. What do you mean? Why don't you say
Is it a competition?
No, I'm just saying why don't
Yeah, but there's a competition.
No, why don't you say something
When you say you shave, I say cool,
I
man.
shave. We shop every week. You guys only these partners like, yo man, you know, you shave, boy. And I'm like, thanks, bro. But,
Yeah, Nesifa never does that.
they never compliment
He's not
us.
the type of
Why don't you ever compliment us? You never hype us up.
Nothing to hide.
Never like, oh, Spaka.
I'm not impressed.
By what?
By your fucking beards.
No, it's not just about the beard.
It's not about the beard.
It's about how
hyping.
we are. Like,
Yeah, you alright.
What?
You cool dudes, whatever. What's up?
Give us more.
if it was David Beckham, it was different.
No
It's alright.
No one. Don't bring that.
You are currently swag dripping. Grab it. Good.
Speaking of swag, the drips.
No, you make it easier for him though. Get it.
I mean,
We thought David Beckham was like the ultimate swaggy gent. But
so
this
David
guy-
Beckham, he says, I raise you.
Yo, boy, this nigga, boy. Yo.
Oh, in the swag, Galina.
Boy.
What is he doing here? Hey, tomorrow, Haitian brothers and sisters, happy Haitian Flag Day.
Yeah, but go to the other ones where there's many comments, boy.
Hotspot.
Oh.
Cuff your chicks.
Oh.
Here comes Chris.
Oh.
Look at him, just out there
And
minding
niggas are-
his own swag.
Niggas are complaining.
The MK belt and those Jordans don't stay, boy.
Yeah, but listen,
In every
niggas
picture.
are complaining about this guy. Every time this guy posts a picture, niggas are losing girls, dog. It's real chop, real shit. Like, it's happening out there. Yeah, but...
Oh, Habaro Bali.
Baby,
Are you kidding me?
do you know a Chris? Do you know a Chris? Trip. You don't know a Chris?
No.
Good, baby.
I know Chris Brown.
Ah, good, baby. I love you. I love you, baby. Good. Not my girl. Oganda Chris girl.
Yeah. You're just brainstorming deep right here. It's like, I know how I would
You
shut
just
it
saved the whole
down.
section. You just saved the whole section. Well done.
Thanks, man.
That was whoa.
Wow.
Yeah?
Creative genius.
Fuck,
I
bro.
was not gonna.
Let me give you a compliment you're craving. That was amazing, man.
That was great.
How you feeling?
We make a good tag team. We make a good team.
Hey!
Speaking about tag teams, let's speak about our holy one.
Oh! Somebody give him holy water.
Choo.
Well done.
Daily Sun reporting. Oh no.
That's
It's already in a dark place.
That's a pasta mboro,
Daily
man.
Sun. What do you think happened at the Daily Sun offices? Did you guys get the Tokolosh email? The Tokolosh email. Forward me the Tokolosh email. There's grown ass men and women walking around talking about these things. We can tell it, man. Like Daily Sun. The two have decided to make peace.
Were they beefing?
Yeah.
Oh, she was holy beef.
Oh, man.
I bless this one. I bless this one.
I bless him
this
more.
one. This one can walk. This one is cured. I spoke to Jesus. I spoke to him some more. What the- Yeah, they both say they know Jesus personally.
Yeah, they do. They say they both speak to Jesus. And now these two people that speak to Jesus directly have teamed up together. And I think they're going to go on tour together. Like, what's up? Let's go.
Pastamboru ya pora.
No, it's a West story we've had in a while. Next.
Okay,
Okay, so if you guys haven't noticed, like in the last few weeks, there's been a lot of heists.
Ingathi bekhona short
Your
course
nail
of
is
the
out
heist.
you at the video.
A lot of heists.
Yeah, like it's like there were short courses they heist, like how to heist.
Hey man, it was so badass in South Africa. I didn't even know, man.
Wait, I've never even bombs and things, boy. Oh no ways.
Apparently these niggas shot at a helicopter.
Wait, what?
These niggas who took down this these two armored vehicles, whatever.
Yeah.
They also shot at a helicopter. The helicopter came and then they shot at
Like doof.
exactly like in the movies. I mean, we're dealing with some bad motherfuckers out here. It's not your Tepang Wagukasi.
Look how much money there is there, bruh. They only took one bag, apparently.
These guys are playing, boy. They had an exact amount they wanted. Professionals. Professionals. You know how disciplined you have to be to see, let's say, 10 million and they say we went there to take 3. Take the fucking 3, dip.
And 5.
We only need the 3.
It's actually quite small.
How do you think the conversation went? And you know, the niggas are like, yo, what's up? How do you think
One guy want to take a little bit more about it. Tepang! Tepang! We said 3, my nigga. That's when the helicopter came now. And these niggas shot at the helicopter. The cops didn't see that shit coming. No ways.
Honey of the week. is.
Oh, we're going across the border with this one.
Yeah.
Shout out to Botswana.
And we hardly ever do this, to be honest.
Yeah,
We always
and we'll be getting people from Namibia talking up, people from Lesotho talking up.
So shout out.
Yeah, nah. Let's get it.
Followed by
Super
Super Snaps. Alright.
Yeah, there's no need for Instagram to even be telling people this type of shit. They'll be giving out information that nobody asked for. I don't want to log in and find out what Paga liked yesterday. I'm not about it. Every time I arrive at a picture, all my niggas been here. It's like we came to give dabs all about, hey niggas, you're seeing
And you
it,
feel
right?
like you came here too late.
I feel like I'm talking to my niggas. I don't feel like I'm interacting with the ladies anymore. It's fucked up the whole Instagram experience. I get this like, these niggas are here.
All of that.
These motherfuckers are already here. I just want to log into Instagram, be a creepy piece, and then move on with my life.
Yeah, what's a piece?
Be a creepy piece and then move on.
But
But now I gotta deal with all this.
You wanna be what?
Be a creepy piece. Fuck Instagram, man. I hate this shit. But shout out to Kilebukile _Mejano from across the border, Botswana. Shout out Gap City one time.
She's beautiful.
Yeah, she's...
Lover of sports, Nike.
It's just a t-shirt. It's a Botswana song.
Why do girls always shoot videos like this? I don't understand this thing.
You think it's slow-mo, Candy?
Why do they...
Yeah, lover of nature, of course. What's up with y'all, man?
I like how she switches up her looks, boy.
She's got so many looks.
Grand Sham.
I heard that.
She told us, you guys must caption this picture.
I hate when girls ask for captions on Instagram.
What
Okay, you
is-
guys caption this. Shut up.
Tell me something I didn't know. Some people put facts, boy.
Which beach is this one? Whoa. Whoa, a minute. This beach is at the bottom.
Yo, why is it so rocky, man? Gee.
Whoa, not this beach.
Yo, why is it sad red?
This beach looks super dangerous.
Okay, guys, MicroWave Boys, episode...
57.
Thanks, it was great.
That's nice. Shout out.
Yeah, sorry for all the non-comedians who have been dragging on our show for the past 4 weeks.
Look
all those niggas
look out
suck
for the
donkey
winter
balls.
merch.
All of them.
Winter merch
All
coming
of them
soon.
suck.
Winter merch coming soon. MicroWave Boys live coming soon. Yo,
Your girl coming soon.
peace out.
My soul on fire gives me what I require. I'm higher than high. Kashwa, kai kepela. Kashwa, kai kepela. Kiri kashwa, kai kepela. Kimu maratu. Kashwa, kai kepela. Kashwa, kai kepela. Kiri kashwa, kai kepela.
Oh yeah.
Kimu maratu.
Look, baby girl, I'm yeah, yeah. I could stay at you for hours. Yeah.